Have you ever wondered how these gorgeous stones can transform your life? 2024 is the year of the dragon in Chinese astrology and 8-year in Western numerology. And the strength card in the tarot. Sonali Sajani, a certified angel healer, cited a 2008 study that states that quartz can act as a flint to start a fire or generate electricity. It's same when it comes to crystals and human body. All they are doing is balancing out the frequency of the electromagnetic currents in our body. With no scientific proof, empirical data suggests numerous benefits. Let's briefly check how they work before checking the luckiest crystals of the year 2024. 1. Amethyst. Purpose, spiritual growth and emotional balance. Why for 2024? With the ongoing need for mental clarity and emotional stability, Amethyst helps reduce stress and promote calmness in turbulent times. 2. Citrine. Purpose, abundance and positivity. Why for 2024? As many seek prosperity and personal growth in the new year, Citrine's energy is great for manifesting success, boosting confidence, and attracting abundance. 3. Black Tourmaline. Purpose, protection and grounding. Why for 2024? This crystal helps protect against negative energy and environmental stressors, making it ideal for maintaining balance in an increasingly chaotic world. 4. Rose Quartz. Purpose, love and emotional healing. Why for 2024? As people continue to seek deeper emotional connections and self-love, rose quartz is a go-to crystal for healing emotional wounds and fostering compassion. 5. Selenite. Purpose, cleansing and mental clarity. Why for 2024? Selenite's ability to clear blocked energy and purify spaces makes it essential for maintaining a clear mind and peaceful environment throughout the year. 6. Labradorite. Purpose, transformation and intuition. Why for 2024? With many embracing change and new beginnings, Labradorite is great for boosting intuition and supporting transformative journeys in both personal and professional lives. 7. Aquamarine. Purpose, calm and communication. Why for 2024? Aquamarine helps improve communication, encourage self-expression, and reduce stress, skills that are especially useful for navigating the evolving social and professional landscape. 8. Carnelian. Purpose, motivation and creativity. Why for 2024? As creativity and innovation take center stage, Carnelian is ideal for boosting motivation, creativity, and personal empowerment in achieving new goals. 9. Shungite. Purpose, EMF protection and detoxification. Why for 2024? With the increasing presence of electronic devices and electromagnetic fields (EMFs), Shungite is gaining popularity for its protective qualities against radiation and its grounding energy. 10. Clear quartz. Purpose, amplification and clarity. Why for 2024? Known as a master healer, clear quartz enhances the energy of other crystals and promotes clarity, making it perfect for setting and manifesting clear intentions in the new year. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.